Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to style your hair different ways when you have wet hair. So this is perfect when you're out of the shower, need to get out of the house kind of hairstyle. So I'm going to show you guys some of my favorite ones to do when I just don't have time. So if you're either going to go to school, to work, whatever the case may be, these will be perfect for you. Before we get into the video, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week. I will also leave all of my social media links down below so you guys can go check me out on there. But let's just get straight into the video. Alright, so first things first, I'm going to go ahead and use this Mica mousse. I will leave it in the link below so you guys can go check it out. I'm going to use a lot of it, but I actually really like this just because it makes my hair smell good, but it also gives me a lot more control when doing like wet looks. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Way conditioning spray. I use this mainly to detangle, and it smells really good too, so that's a plus. I'm gonna go in with my wet brush and just make sure all of the tangles are out. Alright, so for the first hairstyle, I'm just doing 2 French braids. It's really simple and super cute in my opinion. So I just parted my hair in half, separated it, and then I'm going to take a triangular shape section and put that into 3 different strands. And then I'm just going to start my French braid. So as you guys can see, I'm just taking the left strand over the middle and then the right strand over the middle for the first one. And then as I keep going, I just add hair and then put it over the middle. Left strand, add some hair over the middle, and then keep going as I reach to the bottom. Once you get to the bottom, just add an elastic band to secure your braid, and then there you have it. You have your French braid. So for hairstyle number 2, I'm piggybacking off of the French braids, and instead of braiding all the way down, I just took the hair and put them into 2 little buns. And honestly, that's the whole look. You guys already saw how I did the French braids, so this is just like an extra step that you can do to just get all of the hair out of your face, and really cute. Alright, so this next hairstyle is not going to be everybody's cup of tea. It's literally just 2 pigtails, half pigtails I should say, and I think it's really cute. I used to do this a lot when my face was a lot slimmer. I don't do it as much now, but I feel like it's a really cute look if you're going to school or just want the hair out of your face. When you have your hair curled, it looks beautiful. So yeah, that's the third look. Alright, so this fourth hairstyle is just a half updo. Basically just part your hair in half and then create a very high ponytail. And I really like this look. I've been doing it a lot just to get the hair out of my face. You know, when you have a toddler, the last thing you want is hair in your face. I really like to add scrunchies just because I feel like it makes it look a little bit more put together. I usually do like to add hairspray just to make all of the baby hairs lay down and just make everything look a little bit more sleek, but I didn't for the purpose of this video. Alright, so hairstyle number 5 is when I'm like in a really big rush, and this is basically just a twist. So what I did is got 2 sections, twisted it, and then on the section that is closest to my face, I just kept adding hair as I twist, you know, the strands. And I took it halfway, and then I just bobby pinned it in place. And there you have it, a pretty simple little hairstyle that looks effortless but cute. Hairstyle number 6, all you can do is do this same exact hairstyle but put it in a bun, and then you have a cute little updo. Alright, and last but not least, hairstyle number 7, what I did is parted my hair to the side and I started to do a French braid, as you guys can see, but I'm only going to take it down by the temple, and then I'm just going to keep braiding it without adding hair, and then pin it on the side of my head and then do the same thing on the opposite side. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it somewhat helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.